Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man. Should try making some. Might set you free.
What you need at this time is a partnership. You need somebody that you are going to do battle with side by side.
Sure.
Fuck all that other shit with the romance and the slowly running towards one another. All that shit is the Matrix. It's bullshit. When she comes out of the Matrix and she sees with her man when Osiris and Isis gets together, she becomes the outlet to that free matter. And then the new intent that is supposed to arise with the resurrected Osiris, the new intent is then seeded within her triple blackness, which she represents as the free matter, and the baby that comes out of that, terror to the Matrix. Terror! That's why they call you a terrorist. That's why you must keep your children out of school. Stay out of that fucking concentration camp. Because all it does is bend and mutilate the child's psyche. It kills the spirit. Fuck, you want to send your child to the enemy. What do you expect will come back to you?
Ilimu, Utako Kamboa.
What? What you say?
I said those are windows, young man. Should try making some. Might set you free.